Hello, everyone. A very big and warm welcome back to the Mr. English podcast.
Hello, Mia, and a happy hello to all of our amazing friends listening today.
Alex, you have a very happy voice today. I can hear your smile.
I am smiling. I am here with you, and the year it is almost finished. It is a special time.
It is. Can you believe another year is complete?
I cannot. It went so fast, like a fast bird flying past my window.
Yes, like a bird. And because it is this special time, we have a very special episode for you.
Oh, wonderful. I love our special talks. What is our happy topic today?
Today, we talk about how to plan your next year.
Plan the next year? Oh, that sounds very big. Maybe a little scary.
It can feel big, but I promise we will make it small and calm and even fun.
I really need that. My plans are a mess. They are all in my head and then, poof, they are gone.
We will catch them together. We will help you put them on paper. But first, a small and happy question for all our friends.
Yes, of course. If you like our calm, happy podcast, please click the like button. It helps us so much.
And please subscribe to our channel. We want to learn English with you, slowly and with joy, every single week.
And please share this video with one friend. Maybe you can plan your calm year together. It is more fun with a friend.
Perfect. Okay, Alex, are you ready now? Is your tea ready? Is your heart ready?
I am ready. My tea is hot. My heart is open. But Mia, how do we start? Planning a whole year feels like a very big mountain to climb.
We start with a surprise. The first step is not about the future at all.
It is not? Then what is it about? The present?
It is about the past, the year that is finishing right now.
The past? But we are planning for next year. Why look back?
I know it sounds funny, but to walk forward on a good path, it helps to see the good path behind you. We call this reflection.
Reflection. Ah, like looking in a mirror.
Yes, a kind, friendly mirror. You look at this year and you ask one simple question. What was good?
What was good? Not what was bad. Only the good?
Only the good. We call these your highlights, your personal sunshine moments.
Highlights. Okay, so I just think about my happy moments from this year.
Yes, and then the magic part, you write them down. Take a notebook, any notebook. Write 3 or 4 or 5 happy things. No more, just the good things.
Let me think. Okay. This year, I learned to make my grandmother's soup. I called her many times. It was not perfect, but it was good. My family ate it all. That was a real highlight.
Oh, Alex, that is a beautiful highlight. Making soup for your family. That is love. That is connection. So you write that down. Grandma's soup night.
Okay. Step 1, reflection. Look for the good things and write them. I like this step. It feels nice, not scary.
It is a nice step. It makes your heart feel light. Good. Now, step 2. This step is about the future.
Ah, finally, the future. Now we plan.
Yes, but we must be very gentle here.
Gentle? Why gentle? Is planning dangerous?
Not dangerous, but many people make a very big mistake here. They make a list that is too long.
Oh no, I do that every year. I write exercise every single day, read one big book every week, learn Chinese, learn to play the guitar, cook perfect food.
Alex, stop! That is too much. That is a plan for 10 years, not for 1 year.
I know. And what happens? I try for 1 week. I am tired, I stop everything, I feel bad, like I failed.
Exactly. So our calm, happy rule is choose only one big goal for the whole year.
Only one? Just one big thing for all 12 months?
Just one. One thing your heart really, really wants. Not your head, your heart. What does your heart want, Alex? Listen quietly.
This is a big question. My heart, if I listen, my heart wants peace. More peace in my daily life, in my mind, in my home.
Peace. Oh, Alex, that is a wonderful goal. A beautiful, powerful word.
Thank you. But it still feels big, like a soft cloud. How do I touch a cloud?
Ah, this is the most important part. A big, beautiful goal needs small, kind steps. Very small steps. What is one tiny thing you can do for peace?
One tiny thing for peace. Let me think. For peace, maybe quiet. Yes, 5 minutes of quiet every morning, before I look at my phone, before I think about my work.
Perfect. 5 minutes of quiet. That is a small, gentle step. You can do that. It's not scary.
No, it is not scary. I can sit with my tea, just watch the window, listen to my breath. That is peace.
Yes, that is a seed of peace. You plant that seed every day. So, step 2 is choose one big goal and then choose your small, gentle steps. You're doing so well.
Thank you, Mia. This feels better. Not like a mountain, like a small garden. I plant one seed at a time.
That is the perfect way to think. A garden. Now, are you ready for step 3?
I am ready. What is step 3?
Step 3 is my favorite. It's practical and fun. You need a joy calendar.
A joy calendar? I have a calendar. It's on my phone. It tells me about meetings and dentist appointments. It is not very joyful.
We will change that. For this, find a paper calendar, a big, beautiful one for your wall with pictures you love, mountains, oceans, flowers.
A paper calendar? Like in the olden days?
Yes, there is magic in paper. You can see your whole year. You can touch it. Now, here's the new rule. This calendar is not about have to things. It's about get to things.
Get to things? Oh, things I get to do because I want to.
Yes. For example, your friend's birthday. You get to celebrate her. So take a colorful pen, write her name, draw a little cake, make it look like a party.
I love that. So different from just dentist 3 p.m. This is Sarah's birthday party with a drawing.
Exactly. And you plan your joy. You see a free weekend, write possible forest walk. You see a holiday, write relax and read day. You put your happiness on the calendar first.
So the calendar becomes a map of happy things to come. I can look at it on a hard day and see the happy things waiting for me.
Yes, you're storing sunshine for a cloudy day. That's step 3, a joy calendar.
This is not planning, this is dreaming on paper. I like it.
Good. Now we have one more beautiful step today. Step 4. This one is very special.
I am listening. What is step 4?
Step 4 is your word of the year.
My word of the year? What does that mean?
It means you choose one word, just one, not a goal, a word. This word is your friend, your guide for the whole year.
One word for all year? That sounds simple but powerful.
It is. My word for next year is present.
Present. Not a gift, but to be here, now.
Yes, to be present. My mind sometimes travels to the future and worries. Next year, I want to practice being here, in this moment, with you, with my tea, listening.
Oh, Mia, that is a beautiful word. It feels calm and strong.
Thank you. Now, what about you, Alex? Your goal is peace. What word feels right for you?
For peace, my word could be soft.
Soft. Tell me why soft.
I want to be softer with myself. My thoughts can be hard, critical. I want a softer voice in my head. And I want softer things around me. Softer light, softer sounds, a softer way of living.
That is wonderful, Alex. Soft is a kind, gentle word. So all year, when you make a choice, you can ask, is this choice soft?
Yes, like a quiet guide, not shouting, just whispering, choose soft.
Perfect. That is step 4, your word of the year. Now, Alex, we have one last step, step 5, and this is for our English.
Ah, our English, of course. I will be fluent next year. I will know every word.
No, my friend, no fluent, no every word. That is not a calm goal. That is a stressful mountain. We think small and happy for English too.
Okay, small and happy. What is a small, happy English step?
Maybe a promise like this. I will listen to one Mr. English podcast episode every Tuesday with my coffee.
Yes, that is a happy habit. Tuesday English coffee time.
Or I will learn 3 new beautiful words each week. Words that make you happy, like cozy, sunshine, giggle.
Giggle. I love that word. It sounds like its meaning. 3 words a week. That is easy. That is fun.
It is fun. And finally, the last part of step 5, your notebook. Find one special notebook, a book that makes your heart happy to see it.
A special notebook for my year plan and my English words?
Yes, on the first page, you write your word, soft. You write your goal, peace. You draw, you use colors. You make it a beautiful personal treasure map for your year.
A treasure map. I love that idea. Not a to-do list, a map to a happier me.
Yes, so let us say it all together, our 5 calm steps.
Okay. Step 1. Reflection. Look back and write the good things.
Step 2, one big goal. Choose one and break it into small steps.
Step 3. Joy calendar. Plan your happiness on paper.
Step 4, word of the year. Choose one word to guide you.
Step 5. A happy English habit and a beautiful notebook.
Perfect. You remember everything. How do you feel now, Alex?
I feel light. I feel hopeful. I was worried about planning, but this feels like a gift I give to myself. Thank you, Mia.
You are so welcome. This is our wish for you, a calm, happy plan for a calm, happy year. But we have one more question for you, our wonderful listener.
Yes, a very important question. Please tell us in the comments, what is your word of the year?
We really want to know. Share it with us. Is it peace, joy, courage? Learn? Tell us your word.
Your word can inspire someone else. Please share. We read every comment and we love them.
And remember, if you're new here, please subscribe. Join our Calm English family. We are here every week.
And share this with a friend who needs a calm plan. Learning is better together.
From both of us, Mia and Alex, we thank you for this peaceful time.
We wish you a happy, gentle, and wonderful new year. Learn English slowly. Be kind to yourself.
Yes, breathe, go slowly, you can do it. Happy New Year, everyone.
Goodbye for now.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to the final part of our special planning episode. Alex, are you still feeling good about our plan?
Hello, Mia. Yes, I am feeling very good. My mind feels clear, not scared anymore.
Wonderful. That makes me so happy. So, we have our 5 steps, but I think we need to talk about something very important.
What is it? Is there a secret step 6?
No secret step, but we need to talk about what happens when we forget.
Oh, yes, that is a good question. What happens if I forget my plan, if I have a very busy week?
Yes, life happens. A busy week, a tired day. So, rule number 1, be a kind friend to yourself. Your plan is your friend. Friends are not perfect.
So if I miss my 5 minutes of quiet one morning,
You say, "Good morning, Alex, maybe tomorrow." And you try again. No shouting, no "you failed," just kindness.
I like that.
A kind friend, not a strict boss.
Exactly. And your joy calendar? If you have to move your forest walk because of rain?
I draw an arrow.
I move it to the next weekend. It is okay.
Yes, it is still there. The joy is waiting. Now let's talk more about English, your happy habit.
My 3 happy words each week. What if I forget the words?
Then you find 3 new happy words. It is not a test. It is a game, a treasure hunt for beautiful sounds.
A treasure hunt. I like that. So no stress.
No stress, only joy. And your notebook?
My beautiful notebook. What if I make a mistake in it? A bad drawing?
Oh, Alex, there are no bad drawings in your treasure map. It is yours. It is perfect because it is true. It is your journey.
So the plan is alive. It can change. It can breathe.
Yes, it is a living, breathing guide, not a stone law. Now I have one more idea for your English.
Another idea? Tell me.
Your word of the year is soft. Can you find English words that feel soft?
Soft words. Let me think. Whisper. That is a soft word.
Perfect. Whisper. Say it softly.
Whisper.
Beautiful. Another soft word?
Cushion. That feels soft.
Cushion. Yes. And one more?
And gentle. The word gentle itself feels gentle.
Oh, Alex, that is wonderful. Whisper, cushion, gentle. You just did your English habit. You found 3 soft words.
Haha, I did. And it was fun. It was easy.
See, learning can be soft. It can be gentle. It can be part of your peaceful year. Now, let's say thank you. We're at the end of our talk.
Already? But I am enjoying this calm talk.
Me too, but we must say goodbye for now. So, one last time, our question for you.
Please tell us your word of the year in the comments. We are waiting to read it.
Share your word, share your hope. Let's make a big list of good words together.
And please subscribe if you are new. Join our calm family.
Share this with one person who needs a calm friend today.
Thank you, everyone, for this peaceful time.
Thank you for learning English with joy. We believe in you.
Have a peaceful day. Have a peaceful year.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.